I tried GameBoost so you don't have to, and let me just say, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. If you've ever scrolled Reddit or gaming forums, you've definitely seen people talking about GameBoost. So, is it legit, or just another gaming scam? Here's my honest review and a full guide if you're thinking about trying it. First off, GameBoost isn't a flat-out scam. It's a real marketplace where you can buy game keys, accounts, or higher boosting services. The platform's got a 4.4 out of 5 on Trustpilot, with over 13,000 reviews. Most users? They say keys are delivered instantly and work just fine. But here's where it gets tricky. If you're thinking about buying accounts, that's the riskiest move. Some buyers have had accounts reclaimed by the original owners after purchase. So if you go down that path, change your password and link your own email the second you get access. Boosting services? Honestly, they're pretty solid. The boosters are usually pros, and GameBoost has 24/7 live support that actually responds. But remember, boosting is usually against game rules and could get your account banned. Want to use GameBoost safely? Here's my quick guide. Number 1. Only buy from verified or high-rated sellers. Number 2. Use Apple Pay or a credit card. Never wire transfers. And yes, some people see the lack of PayPal as a red flag. Number 3. If a key doesn't work, screenshot everything and hit up support right away. So, is it a scam? Not really. But your experience depends on who you buy from and what you're buying. If you're careful, you'll probably be fine. But there are always risks when you're dealing with third-party gaming stuff,